Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for April 24th, 2013. It's currently a very pleasant morning throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, with temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the Hudson River Valley. Elsewhere, temperatures range from the mid to upper 40s, ranging from the interior all the way down to the coast as winds start shifting to the southwest, and we get ready to warm up to well above normal temperatures. We're talking about temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area, upper 60s to lower 70s over the New York City metropolitan area. But unfortunately for Long Island, because of the southwesterly wind coming right off the Atlantic, temperatures will vary greatly from the upper 50s right along the southern shore to the mid 60s. So pretty much a wide variety of temperatures over Long Island. Elsewhere, a very warm and comfortable day is on the way. So why do we have all this pleasant weather all of a sudden after a very raw, dreary, cool day yesterday? Well, the key is in the infrared satellite picture. This low pressure system here is really starting to amp up just to the east of New England. It's not really producing much in the way of rainfall along the coast. We can see that with the radar here. See, there really isn't much here over portions of Massachusetts. There is a good amount of rain lifting up into Boston, though, and into the southern coast of Boston. And then we have some showers here over portions of western New York. This is going to collapse, and I'm going to show you why. Between this low pressure system and this cold front will be this high pressure system. Now, what's going to happen is that this low pressure system and the rapidly intensifying upper level low associated with it will lift up into Canada. As a result, it will start to phase and interact with this trough here. However, all of this phasing and combination of lifting will really focus itself over the St. Lawrence River Valley and portions of Quebec. And that will basically lead to this cold front rapidly weakening because there really isn't much of a driving force left behind the cold front. As a result, this cold front, as it's moving west, will start to collapse, weaken, and produce only widely scattered showers. So those showers over western New York will lift northeast and basically weaken, and by the time they reach eastern Pennsylvania, producing maybe an isolated shower this evening. Really not a major event at all in any way, shape, or form. But if you're going out to the Phillies game this evening, you might encounter an isolated shower by, let's say, the 7th or 8th inning of the game. Otherwise, expect tranquil weather conditions in place throughout the entire Philadelphia, New York City metropolitan area because of this high pressure system slowly shifting east. So you have sinking air between these two disturbances, and you have high pressure producing southwesterly winds. A combination of that leads to temperatures in the 70s away from the coast. If you're right along the coast, like the New Jersey coast, look for mid 60s, and again in Long Island with the winds coming right off the Atlantic, look at temperatures ranging from the upper 50s along the South Shore to the mid 60s as you get into the interior of the island. So what happens after this cold front moves through? Great question. Okay, so this cold front moves through tonight, a few scattered showers lingering into tomorrow, then we clear out with this high pressure starting to take control. This high pressure is going to be your friend for the next several days. Let's take a look at the latest model guidance. Here is the European model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. And you can see, here's our upper level disturbance this evening, lifting up into the Canadian Maritimes. It will start to interact with this trough. All the lifting and focus with this trough will basically shift towards the St. Lawrence River Valley. So as a result, this cold front really weakens and starts to collapse. And you can even see at the mid-levels, all the moisture is really focusing more towards the northeast, towards the St. Lawrence River Valley, and away from the northern mid-Atlantic. So we're really not expecting much in the way of rainfall with this cold front. The cold front blows through by tomorrow with the cold front off the coast. Scattered cloud cover can be expected by tomorrow afternoon, but temperatures are going to be much cooler, ranging from the upper 50s along the coast to lower to mid 60s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Pretty much slightly below normal. Talking about maybe 5 degrees below normal, but nothing too outlandish for this time of year. The good news is that high pressure remains in control for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and also Tuesday. Now notice a key factor here. Along this period here, a ridge builds over the eastern United States. So look at what's happening here. We have a nice trough developing over the Canadian Maritimes. trough developing over the western United States and also the Gulf of Alaska. A nice broad trough is starting to dig here, and this disturbance is going to get cut off somewhere around the upper Mississippi River Valley. So basically, we're going to be setting up a nice blocking pattern for the eastern United States. And I'm kind of laughing here because I've been getting emails day in, day out. When is it going to warm up? When is spring going to be here? These same people will likely start to ask for winter temperatures when it's 90 degrees this summer. But I get it. You want to warm up. You want to have nice, comfortable weather. Well, it looks like we're just about setting up for that to happen, with upper level ridge setting up right over the Philadelphia, New York City metropolitan area for this upcoming weekend. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 60s for Friday and Saturday, mid to upper 60s, possibly even a few lower 70s on Sunday, and then upper 60s to mid 70s for temperatures Monday through Tuesday, possibly into Wednesday as well. I really don't see this block breaking down anytime soon. So basically what we're setting up here is for a deep trough in the western United States and, well, basically the west coast, a little ridge over the Rockies, an upper level low gets cut off over the upper Midwest, and a nice ridge developing over the eastern United States, setting up for some tranquil, quiet weather conditions. Looks like these videos are going to be pretty short over the next couple of days, but really not much going on. Well, that is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.